Welcome to Bike Buzzing, your go-to channel for the latest in motorcycles, reviews, and deep dives into the bikes that make hearts race. Today, we're cruising into the world of American touring legend with a full breakdown of the 2025 Harley Davidson Road King. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or just curious about what this year's model has to offer, stick around as we explore what makes the Road King a classic, and why 2025 just might be its best version yet. A timeless touring icon. The Harley-Davidson Road King has always walked the line between nostalgic style and long-haul comfort. It's the kind of motorcycle that turns heads at a stoplight and eats up miles on the open road. In 2025, Harley sticks to the formula but tightens it up in all the right ways. The iconic silhouette remains, low-slung stance, big front fender, and that unmistakable nacelle housing the headlamp. It's pure Harley DNA, refined for the modern rider. What's new in 2025? So, what sets the 2025 Road King apart from previous years? For starters, Harley-Davidson has introduced subtle but effective design tweaks, more aerodynamic saddlebag shapes, refined tank graphics, and optional blacked-out finishes that give the bike a stealthy edge. Under the skin, the biggest change is the inclusion of the Milwaukee 8117 engine as standard, making it the most powerful Road King yet. You'll notice quicker throttle response, stronger mid-range torque, and an overall smoother ride at high speeds. Performance and handling. Speaking of performance, the 2025 Road King balances power and control like never before. That Milwaukee 8117 cranks out 126 ft-lb of torque at 3,750 rpm, making highway passes effortless and loaded touring feel light. The 6-speed cruise drive transmission keeps shifts smooth and gearing optimized, especially on long trips. Harley also improved ride quality with retuned suspension. The front Showa dual bending valve forks and premium rear emulsion shocks provide comfort without compromising stability. Whether you're navigating city streets or winding canyon roads, the Road King offers a plush yet connected ride. Comfort for the long haul. Comfort is a big deal for any touring bike, and the 2025 Road King delivers. The seat is wider and more supportive, especially for long-distance riders. Harley has also made ergonomic improvements to the handlebar positioning, giving riders a more relaxed upright stance. Combine that with mid-height floorboards and cruise control, and you've got a machine built to keep you going for hundreds of miles without fatigue. The windscreen remains detachable, giving riders the flexibility to choose between full touring comfort and stripped-down cruiser style. On cool mornings or high-speed runs, it's your best friend. When the sun's out and you're cruising the boulevard, pop it off for a classic look. Technology and features. The 2025 Road King keeps it old school at heart but doesn't ignore the demands of modern riders. Standard tech includes ABS, traction control, and Harley's cornering enhanced reflex defensive rider systems, RDRS. There's no big touchscreen here, that's by design, but a small digital display in the analog cluster provides essential info like gear position, fuel range, and trip meters. Optional features include keyless ignition, tire pressure monitoring, and a security system, letting riders tailor their Road King to fit their needs. Style meets substance. One of the best things about the 2025 Road King is how it combines muscle with elegance. Chrome lovers will find plenty to admire in the classic trim, while those preferring a darker, modern aesthetic can opt for the Road King special variant with blackout finishes and a more aggressive look. From its sleek bags to its sculpted tank and signature LED lighting, every detail screams premium. Paint options this year include bold new finishes like Red Rock Pearl, Blue Burst, and the ever-popular Vivid Black, each designed to highlight the bike's sculpted lines and touring roots. Is it worth it? Now for the big question, is the 2025 Road King worth your money? If you're looking for a touring bike that blends heritage with performance, and comfort with commanding presence, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it's a Harley, built to last, hold value, and make every ride feel like an event. Whether you're a weekend cruiser or planning a coast-to-coast tour, the Road King is more than capable. And with Harley's vast accessory catalog, you can customize it into exactly the bike you want. Final thoughts, the King still rules. The 2025 Harley Davidson Road King proves that some things don't need to change too much to stay great. With smart upgrades, a powerhouse engine, and timeless design, this year's model keeps the crown firmly on its head. It's a bike for riders who love the journey just as much as the destination. Thanks for tuning into Bike Buzzing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more two-wheeled content coming your way. Until next time, ride safe, ride far, and ride free.